Alright, I bought a new flip camcorder today. And the best thing ever. Oh my god, where did my gold go? My gold! And a bottle of gold. Look at it. Biscuit. Look at this. Biggie, you don't eat it. It's a bottle of gold. It's gold! Alright, there's my boyfriend right there. He just dropped something on the floor. Trying to act like he didn't do it. What you up to, Rob?
Trying to watch this game.
Getting on my nerves?
Yep.
Affirmative. There's Barney. What you doing? You go cute. Rob, what do you have to say for yourself about last night?
I don't really give a shit.
How was that butterfly exhibit, Rob?
Awesome.